we have a relationship for 2 years.
Yes.
We have sent the interns, and then we heard from the interns that the program was very, very efficient for them, and they told me that they will be a good position in getting the job.
Good.
Thanks to this intern program. So I'd like to ask would you please briefly describe a set of features of your intern program, okay, run by the DNV-GL. In particular, what are the significant aspects of for the program to get sustainable in the future?
Yeah, sure. Well, I should say that this is the first time that we've done an internship program, so it was very good to be working with you at Seoul University and with the Edrc program.
Mm-hmm.
So we were learning. This is a new program for us. We took 2 interns for a 6-month period, and we thought we would give it a try. It was something that was very new for us, and I must say it worked extremely well from our perspective. So I think in order to make it sustainable, that should not be too difficult. I think our experiences from the first 6 months were very, very positive, and I can come back to that later. So we did learn a lot. To make it sustainable, I think we should learn the lessons from this first internship.
Sure.
Probably most of what we learned was the practicalities. So we learned about setting the visas correctly, about the living allowance. Those are probably the most difficult aspects. The actual work content was a little more straightforward, and that seemed to work quite well. So I don't think it would take very much to make it sustainable, just learning a few of the lessons. But I have to say, for a first internship, I was extremely pleased with how it went. I thought there was very good communication between us, and the interns themselves were a credit to the program. They were very professional, and again, we can talk more about that.
Okay.
But yeah, a very good experience from our point of view.
Thank you. And how are the Korean interns doing as compared to other interns, if you had? And in terms of attitudes or the approaches to problem solving and their performances?
Well, the first thing to say is that we don't have a lot of experience, at least in my team, of running internships.
Okay.
So this was fairly new for us.
Okay.
However, I was an intern once, so I could remember the lessons which I learned all those years ago. And yeah, we thought we could do a good job. So it's, but I think it was largely successful because everyone wanted it to succeed. We, DNV-GL and my team, stood to gain some extra people working with us, and the interns would get some experience of working in a professional software and engineering environment. I think that was a very good combination, and I think it worked. I think it worked very well. Certainly, DNV-GL got a lot out of it. We learned some lessons. The interns did some very useful work, and I'm pretty confident that the interns also enjoyed their time here in London and working with us as well. So I think it was a good balance. It was it was a win-win. Is probably the best way to describe it. And then we will, take the lessons we've learned and apply those in the future for the next interns.
Okay.
The good aspects, the 6 months went very quickly, and they were very quickly became just part of the team.
Oh.
And they were working with us just day to day, just as part of the team. There was no difference. It was never the team and the interns. It was always, we worked together. And I think that worked very well. They were very professional. They were very motivated, very keen, very interested to learn. We did drop them in at the deep end, I think. We just gave them the work and a lot of help as well. But we left them to it. They had the opportunity to work with one in particular of our Korean customers. So they could use their Korean language skills to help us. That was very useful, and it just worked very well.
So most of the contents of intern program was about the software development, the software testing, and something like that.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
good.
So there were two main parts to the internship. There was software testing, as you mentioned, and also some software support. So helping our customers to use our software. And we tried to put some variety into the internship. So we gave them experience on two different products. One for onshore risk analysis, the other one for offshore risk analysis. So they're different products. So we rotated them, which gives them hopefully some good experience, a good variety of experience. And I think that worked well.
The last question for the future Korean interns.
Yes.
Is there anything you'd like to say, or emphasize, or recommend so that they can get this industry internship successful? Anything you'd like to for future Korean interns?
Yes, of course. I think first thing is don't worry.
Yes.
Because we realise that moving from Korea to London it's a big step. It's a change of culture. It's a change of climate, organisation. Sure. So it's a big step. We like to think we're a very friendly team. So we would support any of the interns through that process as much as we could. Certainly, if they had any personal problems when they were here, we would help them out. So they shouldn't worry about that. All the prospective interns should remember that we want it to work just as much as they do. So we're all motivated to find a win-win situation. The English language is important, and spending 6 months in London is, of course, a good opportunity to practice their language skills. It was noticeable for our first internship. You could see their confidence building in English, and that was good. That was nice to watch. And the other thing I would say is be open. Be open and flexible. So things change. The type of work that we may have, the type of projects that we might have working will vary from time to time. So the interns should expect a little bit of change, a bit of variety. And I think actually that's how it should be. I think that is an internship should involve variety. So, come to London. Enjoy London, take the opportunity to see Europe, to embrace the cultures that we have. I know our first two interns did that. They the opportunity to travel through Europe at the end of their internship, and I think that was very good. So they seemed to enjoy it. I hope they did. They certainly seemed to enjoy it.
I think London is in that aspect. London is one of the most suitable location.
Yes. Yes, I think that's right. And there is there's a significant Korean community in London anyway. So connect with the local Korean sort of expat community, which is good. And London is a very it's a vibrant, cosmopolitan, multicultural city. I would hope they would embrace that. So it's not just about work. It's work, and it's cultural, and learning how between the differences between Eastern culture and Western culture, and how the two can fit together just so well. You take the best of each culture. So the company should give, and the interns should give, and together we get a win-win situation, which I clearly believe that we did this time. So all I can say to summarise is it was a very positive experience for us. I'm very happy to repeat it.